Hi friends, I'm Pooja. Today I'm come up with the topic create pivot table using Excel automation in UiPath. How to create pivot table using UiPath? In today's session, I'm going to tell you how to achieve this using UiPath Studio. I hope you already know which package you need to install to use Excel activities. This is my Excel sheet, and for the video purpose I took only 4 columns, that is name, age, salary and city. How can we create manually a table? Select this and press Ctrl T and then click on OK. By this way you can create table manually. And how can you create a pivot table? Go to insert and click on pivot table. Then you will get pivot table. Now, in today's session, I'm going to tell you how to achieve this using UiPath Studio. First, take one Excel application scope. Here, you need to give the path of the Excel. Then take one create table activity. First, you need to give here the sheet name. My sheet name is sheet 1. Here, you need to give the range, that is A1 to D5. Here, you need to give the table name, that is pivot table. Then take one create pivot table activity. Here you need to give the range. Here I am giving the H1. Here you need to give the same, that pure table name, the table name, that is pivot table. And here you need to give the pivot table name, that is demo, that is demo pivot. Yeah, this is all done. Just save this. After saving this, let's run. Let's see what will happen. After successfully completion of this, let's open our Excel sheet. Here you can see in H1 column, the pure table is created, that is in this way. Here you can, if you want name, you can check the box, or if you don't want the age, you can uncheck the box. Yeah, it will work like this. In this way, you can create pivot table using UiPath. I hope this video is very useful for the beginners. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.